While many families gathered around the tree on Christmas, first responders and healthcare workers across Shreveport spent the holiday on the job. Madison Edwards spoke with police officers and a nurse about what it is like working during the most wonderful day of the year.
A lot of us, the people that I work with, my coworkers, especially in the ER, we actually don't mind working the holidays. We love to do it.
As families across Shreveport celebrated Christmas Day, first responders and healthcare workers reported for duty.
We knew that working on Christmas and holidays was going to be part of what we signed up for. So it's business as usual, and we take it call to call and try to spend as much time as we can with each other and our families. But it is what it is.
At the Shreveport Police Department, most officers working Christmas volunteered for the shift. About 20 officers per shift were on duty. Police say domestic calls often increase on Christmas, and sometimes they have to respond to deadly circumstances.
Last year we had a major wreck. A lot of stuff nowadays with mini bikes has been a big issue. Last year we had a major incident and it caused somebody's life. It was during the holidays.
At Christus Shumpert Hospitals, nurses like Ashton Blackman worked to make sure those with emergencies on Christmas receive the care they need.
I've taken care of a few kids today that had a girl that fell off of her bike and she's worried she broke her wrist, and it all turned out good. And just, we always have toys to give them because we have Children's Miracle Network. So we have lots of toys to give, and we make it fun.
Blackman says the holidays bring added emotional weight for patients and staff alike.
For us, it just means trying to be, that little bit of extra comfort, whether that's just sitting with them, visiting with them, it just making them feel less alone on that day. Because a lot of these people get really scared, depending on what's going on.
She says the support among coworkers helps keep the holiday spirit alive.
We always come together. We do potluck. We try to make it fun because, we're away from our families too. And a lot of, the people I work with have kids, and, they've had to step away from their lives, at home. So I think that just being together, we make the best out of the situation for sure.